Hello and welcome to the sixth match in round 2 of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. Today's match is between St. Hughs Prep from St. Andrew up against Servite Primary from St. Anne. I'm your host, Kadeen Foote, and the action begins right now. So after the coin toss, Servite won but decided to have St. Hughs go first. So let's begin section 1, where teams are asked questions alternately. They'll have 10 seconds in which to answer and will gain 1 point for each correct answer. St. Hughs, we begin with Bible knowledge. How did the deacon Stephen die?
He was stoned. He was stoned. He was stoned.
Correct. Servite, who was converted to Christianity on the road to Damascus?
Saul. Saul.
Correct. Science, St. Hughs, what type of rocks are crystalline solids which form directly from the cooling of magma and forms part of the Earth's crust?
Igneous. Igneous.
Correct. Servite, what type of rocks are often the result of the accumulation of small pieces broken off from pre-existing rocks?
Sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks.
Correct. Local affairs, St. Hughs, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Shahini Robinson.
Incorrect, it's Donna Scott Motley. She's a senator. Servite, look at the monitor as well and identify this person.
Fenton Ferguson.
Incorrect, that's Senator Cavan Gale. We move on to English language. St. Hughs, complete the following simile. As deaf as a?
Doorpost. Doorpost. Doorpost.
Or doornail would have also been correct. Servite, complete the following simile. As gentle as a?
Lamb. Lamb.
Correct. Television, St. Hughs, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
Daisy Duck. Daisy Duck. Daisy Duck.
Correct. Servite, look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Goofy. Goofy.
Correct. General knowledge for St. Hughs. Which two brothers were responsible for inventing the aeroplane?
The Wright brothers. The Wright brothers. The Wright brothers.
Correct. Orville and Wilbur. Servite, who was the inventor of the X-ray?
Alexander Graham.
Incorrect. It's Wilhelm Röntgen. St. Hughs, social studies, true or false? Earth is a terrestrial planet that has one moon and a thick atmosphere.
True. False. False.
Correct. Servite, true or false? None of the Jovian or gas planets have rings.
False. False.
That's correct. Music, St. Hughs, to what specific family of instruments does the tuba belong?
Brass wind. Brass wind. Brass wind.
Correct. Servite, to what specific family of instruments does the flute belong?
Woodwind.
Correct. Mathematics, St. Hughs, what is the equivalent of the Roman numerals M, C, M, X, X, I, X?
1929.
1929.
Correct. Servite, what is the equivalent of the Roman numerals M, C, M, X, X, I?
1921. 1921.
Correct. Sports, it's a visual. St. Hughs, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Kenya Sinclair.
Kenya Sinclair. Kenya Sinclair.
Incorrect, that's Jamaican athlete Karen Stewart. Servite, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Sherika Jackson.
Incorrect, that's Aileen Bailey, former Jamaican athlete. Jamaican affairs, St. Hughs, complete the proverb, the Jamaican proverb. Chicken Mary.
Hot than air, hot than air, hot than air.
Correct. And Servites complete this Jamaican proverb. You can't catch Kwaku.
You catch him short. You catch him short.
That's correct. And that's the end of section 1. And we have the score St. Hughs on 9 and Servite on 8. So we're starting off very close. We go for a break, and when we come back, it's time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off. But first, listen up for the friendly tip from NCB Insurance. When you have a savings goal, put your money in a place where you won't be tempted to take it out and spend it. You may actually have to hide it from yourself if you do get tempted easily. We'll be right back. Please stay with us.